She may be the country's top tourism official, but she's powerless to bring her stranded son home. Tourism Secretary Berna Romulo-Puyat's son is among the domestic travelers stranded in Palawan because of the enhanced community quarantine. Her son Vito works as an environment associate in El Nido. She said she can't help Vito travel back to Manila because the local government units follow their own lockdown rules. On Instagram, Romulo-Puyat calls Vito her water warrior. In a magazine interview, this is how Vito explained his job. In March 2019, Romulo-Puyat posted this photo of a boy releasing baby turtles.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.